Hey everyone, welcome back to Cleaning the Easy Way. I'm Emily and this is Cody.
I'm Cody.
That's Cody.
That's me.
Yeah, that's Cody.
Him.
Yeah, that's him. So today we're actually going to just be doing a quick video. We're going to be talking about some common mistakes people make when cleaning. And it's short because this is the 4th of July week and...
Happy birthday, America.
And we live in the good old US of A. So... make sure you stay around to the end because we are going to be doing a helpful tip of the week. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next time we upload a video, and on with the video. A few common mistakes people make with or when cleaning. Not using caution when vacuuming. People will just vacuum around cords instead of picking them up. This can cause damage to electronics or the cord. Not to mention the cord can get sucked into the vacuum and tightly wrapped around the roller. Now, not everything can be vacuumed. Zip ties, wires, certain things are going to clog your vacuum. Make sure you pick up things instead of cutting corners. Using fabric softener with your cleaning rags. Softeners deposit a thin layer of chemicals onto the fibers of the rag. Aside from the damage that you can cause your washing machine, softeners leave a wax-like film on your rags. This film can cause streaks, especially on glass and mirrors, making the cleaning harder and longer. Not maintaining your machines. We have a process to clean and maintain our Bissell Crosswave that we do after each clean. Failure to do so can cause the machine to stink the next day. Whether if your vacuum has a bag, canister, or filter, it is very important to read how to maintain it so it continues to clean like it did when you first got it. Not using cleaning products correctly. It is very important to read the directions on the back of the bottle before you clean. It is also very important that the cleaner is safe for the types of surfaces you are cleaning. There are many cleaners that will cause damage to your surfaces. In fact, bleach is very harmful and will eat away at the protectant coating on all surfaces. Failing to follow these instructions will not only make cleaning longer and harder, it can lead to the surfaces aging much faster. Today's helpful tip of the week. Okay, so I know that I did talk a little bit about the harmful effects of using fabric softener, or not necessarily harmful, but the effects of using fabric softener in with your cleaning rags. But here's Cody with today's helpful tip of the week.
I'm constipated.
Oh, God. Oh my gosh, Cody, you cannot say that.
No, but in all seriousness, static electricity is a helpful tool while cleaning. Keeping that electricity inside your rags help pull dust and dirt into them. If you use fabric softener, you're going to cut down that static electricity. So, yeah. Forget to subscribe. I'm just kidding. Don't forget. Don't forget to subscribe. Like and comment.
And we just want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. We are so excited to have you on to the channel.
I'm going to go poop now.
He's not really constipated. But thank you so much. And we will catch you on the next one. Have an amazing day.